Magnetic Storm Entertainment. My name's Andreas. I'm a DJ and MC, and the purpose of this video is to try and show you and demonstrate to you what one of the optionals that we're offering is a dry ice machine for your first dance. So the purpose of this video is to show you everything that's actually involved with the dry ice machine, what it looks like, and where you can use it as part of your wedding. So the purpose of the dry ice is usually to cover the dance floor when the photographer is ready to do your first dance. And what it does is it covers the dance floor and it looks as though you're dancing in the clouds. So this is one of the optional extras besides the video projection and the mood lighting and the architectural lighting that we offer over and above our standard packages. So if you've got any questions, please feel free to email me, give me a call. More than happy to show you and give you advice on what you can do for your wedding.
Hi, my name is Andreas Miller. I'm from Magnetic Storm Entertainment. I'd like to show you what a dry ice machine can do and what's involved, and this is one of the services that we offer for as a higher service. How this machine works: you fill it up with water up to about this level. It holds about 17.5 liters of water. This water gets heated up to 80 degrees Celsius. Once that water is hot and 80 degrees Celsius, you'll have the green light, which takes probably about an hour to heat this volume of water. Then what we'll do is open the machine, and it's like an industrial chip fryer where you put your French fries in and dip it in oil. So in here, in this tray, we're going to be putting dry ice. And then once this dry ice is in the tray, we drop the tray into the hot water. And what happens is the dry ice expands and this smoke will be coming out here. And that's what your dry ice smoke will be that will dance onto the, that'll go onto the dance floor. We'll be dancing on.
This is a dry ice we bought yesterday. So the volume of this container was about this full in dry ice. The reason we bought it yesterday and left it in the container is because the shop is only open from a Monday to a Friday. So if your wedding's on a Saturday, we have to buy the dry ice on a Friday and then use it on a Saturday. Now what I'm going to do is open the box so you can see how much of the dry ice has actually shrunk, and it's about half the amount of dry ice that we originally purchased. Now the machine will take 5 kilograms of dry ice. Safety wise, gloves and glasses, and the reason being is when I put this dry ice into the machine here, there could be a flash because it's making contact with the water and could spray back up, and that's the reason for the safety glasses. So if you come and have a look here, I'm going to open the dry ice box so you can see how much dry ice is in here now. Now these are 10 millimeter pellets. So that's what we're going to be putting in the dry ice machine. So now what I'm going to do is put the dry ice machine here. Got to be very careful, this machine's at 80 degrees temperature. So what we can do is, now that the water's at temperature, we can actually unplug the machine. And what it will allow us to do is, once the machine's ready, I've opened the lid and put the dry ice in, it'll start pumping out the dry ice or the smoke. And then we've got the ability to move the machine around on the dance floor. So what we can do is, we can fill whatever area, and if we see any patches where it doesn't fill up the dance floor, we can just roll the machine there and it will pump out the dry ice. Right, what we're going to do is open the machine, show you what it looks like inside before I fill it up with dry ice. So there's a lever, and I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to open. So have a look inside, go from a distance so it doesn't, and that's the tray. So you can see the steam coming out because it's at 80 degrees C. So what I'm going to do now is fill it up with the dry ice and put it in. So here we go. Alright, there's the piece you... Alright, what I'm going to do is close the lid. So this is just what's boiling out normally. I'm going to close the lever, and now I've got the ability to move the machine around. This is without the tray being in the hot water. Now this is a double garage floor space, so it'll give you an idea. So I'm going to drop this in 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Now Nadia, can you come closer? I want to show what height the smoke goes. Now, Jasmine, go around and just show how much area that it will cover. So what I can do, here by moving the machine around, I can cover all areas of the dance floor. Now to show you what height it is, I'm 6'4". So this is about 30 centimeters in height that the smoke clears to. There's no water vapor on the floor. There's no water vapor on the floor. It's just cold smoke. And there it's going at the moment. So, and any area that's not covered, just move the machine around and it'll cover that area.